While there are enabling technologies required for master data management, a data quality-based process framework is the essential first step for MDM success. The MDM solution must be able to handle all data entities and requires a database or data hub. This needs to be based on a data quality engine that can be customized to parse, standardize, validate, and verify any type of information and integrated with a data governance maturity model. As part of a solid data governance plan, the creation of data stewardship processes are also a key technology requirement. Key functional capabilities include reporting, data profiling, a master repository manager or hub, business rule monitoring, and data integration. These technologies enable MDM by integrating the business rules engine and workflow processes into the data quality-based master data management solution.